Hi guys, so today I want to talk about my natural hair really quickly. Let's start from the beginning. I've had natural hair all my life until grade 9, which was the beginning of high school. My mom wasn't there to comb my hair, do my hair and stuff, so I had to be dealing with it. And it was very hard. It was very hard for me to deal with my natural hair because I didn't know anything about my natural hair. So I decided to get a perm. So from 9th grade to 12th grade, I had a perm in my hair. I dyed my hair red, pink, purple, and blonde during high school. So during 12th grade, let's fast forward a bit. During 12th grade, I decided to go natural and try to transition my hair, and that didn't work out. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't see my natural hair, and so I got a perm. So in May of 2014, let's skip back. In January of 2014, my hair started breaking off, and I'll insert pictures at the end and stuff. My hair started breaking off. It was breaking off from the sides and the back. The middle portion of my hair still had a lot of length, so I put in a sew-in, and my hair just, when I took out my hair, I had clumps of hair, like my hair was just falling out. So I decided at that point to grow my hair out once again, which was my second transition. So I threw away my perms so I didn't have to deal with it, and then I made the transition. I did my transition with braids and sew-ins, and that was the best decision for me and the best way for me. That's just how I preferred it, and I transitioned my hair. I'm almost a year post relaxer. Last year, I made a promise to myself that I would transition my hair and I would clear up my skin, and I've done both of those things. I'm very, very proud of myself because it's not easy to transition a hair, and it's not easy to deal with breakouts and acne and stuff like that. So, and the reason why I didn't document my journey on YouTube is because there's a lot of so my battery died. As I was saying, is the reason why I didn't document my transition here on YouTube is because the natural hair community have really high expectations for natural hair people, and they gotta use a certain product, they gotta do this, they gotta do that, their hair has to grow to this length by this time, their hair has to grow to this length in a month. Like, I'm not like that. I use what's best for me, what's best for my hair. As long as my hair is healthy and strong and thriving, then I'm fine. I don't need my hair to grow to my bottom or bra strap length or whatever the hell they want to. But if it grows there, then I'll be fine with it. But I'm not someone that's, oh, my hair gotta grow by bra strap length in 2 years, or no, I'm not like that. I do what's best for my hair, and as long as my hair is healthy, I'm good. I'm fine with my hair as far as length is concerned. So yeah, that's why I didn't document my hair journey, but from now on I'm gonna start recording videos of when I do twist outs on my hair or bantu knot outs. Or next month is my birthday, so I'm planning on flat ironing my hair and clips and putting clip-ins, so I'll do that too. Yeah, I just wanted to get it all out there of what to expect on my channel as far as hair is concerned, and I'm still gonna wear my wigs and weaves and braids and whatever the hell else I feel like wearing, cause yeah. So I just want you guys to see my hair. Let's try a length check. This is how long my hair is at the side, and you can see my hair just curls back up, so it's very healthy. And let me get one from the front. Past my nose at the front. At the back of my hair is very short. It's about neck, right in my neck right here. That's the shortest place of my parts of my hair is the back, because that's where I started breaking off first, the back and the sides. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and there goes my natural hair. This is an old Bantu knot out. Here's the back. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair videos. So I'll see you in a little bit. Deuce.